Hi there, my name's Anita, and I work for the Software Sustainability Institute as a social methods researcher. So I'm looking a little bit at the impact of the SSI's work, including their fellowship scheme, as well as looking at inclusivity and diversity in the research software community. I'm also an accredited mindfulness teacher and have been meditating pretty much every day now for nearly 15 years. And as part of the Supporting Mental Health Research Software Camp run by the SSI, I'm running a 2-hour mindfulness session. So in that session, we're going to explore what our inner critic looks like. How do those thought patterns present? Using mindfulness techniques. We're also going to look at cultivating self-compassion that can help quieten those negative thought patterns and encourage confidence and creativity at work. We'll also bring in some of the sort of current Western psychological models on the different emotions and how we can support positive emotions as we navigate our way through the research software, sort of the workplace and landscape. So you're very welcome to come along to the session, whether you've done mindfulness before, but want to bring it in more into a work context, research software context, or whether it's your first session and you haven't explored mindfulness before. You don't need anything special to come along to this session. You don't need any special seating arrangements or clothing. You can just come as you are. You can sit on your sofa if you like, if you're at home and want to be comfortable, but also you can very much practice mindfulness sat at your desk in your usual work chair. It's great if you can create a bit of a quieter space so that nobody disturbs you, as we're going to do some short meditations to get a feel for them. It'd be great just to see people from the research software community coming together, exploring their experience of that research environment and practicing some mindfulness together. So I hope to see you there.